Rebar Module Function Introduction. Rebar Annotation. Rebar Annotation. This command annotates the bar mark, diameter, spacing and quantity for every type of reinforcement shown in the drawing. Click the Rebar Annotation function. Select the reinforcement symbol standard. Set the reinforcement annotation parameters. Choose an annotation style. The program provides 8 reinforcement numbering formats. Once the parameters are set, click the OK button. Select the steel to be marked. Select the text annotation point. Specify the insertion point. Rebar annotation completed. Rebar annotation range. This command is used to define the annotation range for reinforcement labels. Click the Rebar Annotation Range function. Specify the marking starting point and the end point. Select the steel bars to be retained, and all others are removed. Rebar range annotation completed. Rebar numbering. This command assigns bar numbers to the reinforcement. Click the Rebar numbering function. Input steel bar number. Select bar. Specify the insertion point. Rebar numbering completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.